Are you sabotaging your resume without realizing it? Let's go over the top mistakes you must avoid to get hired faster. First, skip irrelevant personal info like age, marital status, religion, or photos. It clutters your resume and can lead to unconscious bias. Your email is your first impression. Always use a professional format like firstname.lastname@email.com, no nicknames or silly handles. Avoid old, unrelated jobs. Highlight experience that demonstrates transferable skills or measurable achievements. Employers want results, not hype. Words like guru or rock star won't impress, show real achievements instead. Never include salary info or expectations on your resume. Discuss compensation during interviews, not before. Listing fake skills or certifications can destroy your credibility. Always be truthful, employers can fact-check easily. Modern resumes don't need the reference line. Recruiters assume you have references ready if asked. Include only professional platforms like LinkedIn. Leave personal social media off your resume. Keep your resume scannable. Use bullet points and short lines. Long paragraphs get ignored by both recruiters and ATS. Never include company secrets, client data, or internal info. It's unprofessional and can get you in legal trouble. Most ATS systems can't read fancy graphics, logos, or tables. Keep your layout simple and clean unless you're applying for a design role. Avoid these mistakes, clean up your resume, and increase your chances of landing your dream job.